Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer software testing interview question 369. That is, what is bad path testing? Let me answer. So what is bad path testing? In the previous sessions, I covered what is happy path testing and what is sad path testing. Now I am covering another path testing known as bad path testing. So what is bad path testing? In bad path testing, we execute the test cases which test by entering junk inputs which result in warning messages. Some kind of, it's not about valid or invalid guys, okay? So in case of happy path testing, you are entering the valid known inputs and expecting the positive outcome. In case of sad path testing, you are entering intentionally, you are entering invalid inputs and expecting the negative outcomes that user should not get logged in or whatever it is. But in case of bad path testing, you enter junk inputs. Some examples of the junk inputs is like, for example, in place of email address, you give all the different type of characters, Chinese characters or Japanese characters or Korean characters. Okay. So, and see what's happening with the application. Okay. Some kind of invalid junk inputs we give, and and also whatever that is not expected, we'll give here. For example, if username is generally like it's username or email address can be generally like, for example, 50 characters, let's say. Okay, you give 70 characters and see whether what's happening, whether the application is giving a proper error message or warning message to you. Okay, such kind of test cases fall into the bad path. Okay, here we are not intentionally giving invalid input, or neither we are not giving non-valid inputs to get positive outcomes, right? But here we are giving some junk inputs. Okay, for example, if you are testing email address field, the email address field, you can give lot of junk inputs in email address guys. Okay, you can remove at the rate and give that and see what's happening. You give 70 characters one. Okay, you give blank email address, junk inputs, such kind of playing with that kind of test cases. That test cases fall into the bad path category guys. Executing such kind of test cases which results in warning messages or error messages is known as bad path testing. Okay, I already gave the example while explaining. Okay, so hope guys you understood what is bad path testing in this session. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to answer another software testing interview question for you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.